On a seemingly ordinary day in the summer of 1937, the unthinkable happened. It was here, over the San Francisco Bay, that the Golden Gate Bridge was officially opened, an engineering marvel designed to withstand nature's fury. But what if I told you that this bridge, celebrated for its beauty and ingenuity, was not the only structure that challenged the very fabric of engineering? Indeed, hidden across the globe are 7 bridges so remarkable, so improbable, that they should not exist at all. But nobody knew how much these creations would come to symbolize the spirit of human determination and innovation. Our journey begins with a man named John A. Roebling. Roebling was not just an engineer, he was a visionary whose dreams reached beyond the limits of his time. He was born in 1806 in Germany and emigrated to the United States, where he was determined to leave his mark on the world. In the mid-19th century, the concept of suspension bridges was in its infancy. Most engineers were skeptical that a structure could support vast weights and withstand harsh weather. But Roebling's ambitions saw no limits. He believed that he could create something extraordinary, a bridge that would span the East River in New York City and connect Manhattan to Brooklyn. The Brooklyn Bridge, which began construction in 1869, would eventually become a beacon of progress and a testament to human resilience, but not without its struggles. Roebling faced constant opposition due to the size and complexity of his project. His vision relied heavily on innovative wire-strand techniques, and many doubted his ambitious designs. Tragedy struck just a year into the project when John Roebling died in an accident. His son, Washington Roebling, took over but was beset with challenges of his own, including the debilitating disease known as caisson disease, or the bends, which he suffered while working in the underwater foundations. Yet, against all odds, Washington persevered. Working from a makeshift office in his home, he directed the project with tenacity and determination. The Brooklyn Bridge was completed in 1883, an iconic symbol of hope that stood as a monumental achievement of engineering. But as we marvel at the triumph of the Brooklyn Bridge, can we pause and ponder the other extraordinary bridges that redefine our understanding of possibility? Across the world, engineers continued to flirt with the boundaries of the feasible. Fast forward to 2004, Japan revealed the Akashi Kaki Bridge, the longest suspension bridge in the world. Under construction during a massive earthquake, engineers faced a dramatic turning point that tested their resolve. What happened next shocked the world. They incorporated unprecedented designs and technologies, presenting a bridge that now stands resilient against the fiercest of natural disasters. The Akashi Kaki Bridge not only spans enormous distances but also embodies humanity's indefatigable spirit amidst adversity. In Brazil, the Rio Nitro Bridge, inaugurated in 1974, transcended expectations with its daring design, connecting cities and altering the economic landscape of the region. This bridge would not only symbolize progress but also showcase the necessity of infrastructure in enhancing the quality of life for countless people. Like the drumbeats of history, the voices of disbelievers echoed, yet this engineering marvel delivers astounding utility daily. But what is it about these 7 bridges that continually redefines our limits? In their construction, it is not merely the concrete, steel, or cables that comprise their essence, it is the human story interwoven with each beam and support. Their construction reflects cultural resilience, innovative spirit, and a collective determination that drives humanity forward. As we ascend higher, consider the Millau Viaduct in France, built in 2004. Simply put, it is the tallest bridge in the world, soaring above 1,125 feet. Where skeptics foresaw disaster, engineers soared above conventional wisdom, crafting a structure that seemed to float in the clouds. With its unparalleled beauty, the bridge stands as an inspiration in design and an affirmation of the belief that daring ideas can indeed take flight. Another remarkable structure, the Siddhe Bridge in China, completed in 2009, traverses an astonishing gorge, showcasing engineering brilliance against stunning landscapes. It possesses an ethereal quality, drawing travelers and adventurers while igniting dreams of exploration and ambition. These bridges are more than just structures, they are testaments to human ingenuity, standing tall over landscapes that echo our achievements. But as we stand in awe of their majesty, we must also ask ourselves, why does this matter today? In an age where engineering marvels are often overshadowed by technological advancements, it is crucial to remember the significance of these bridges that symbolize human tenacity. As we traverse the evolving world of innovation, these 7 bridges remind us of timeless truths about our potential. Each beam represents not only a solution to a logistical puzzle but also a powerful narrative of the individuals who dared to dream of what was once deemed impossible. So the next time you walk across one of these engineering wonders, pause for a moment and reflect on their history, their struggles, and their triumphs. We are all part of this narrative of resilience, creativity, and forward motion. As we conclude our exploration of these 7 bridges that should be impossible to build, we are left with a profound sense of hope. Despite numerous challenges, these incredible feats of engineering remind us that perseverance and ingenuity can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. They encourage us to envision a world where the limits of possibility are forever expanding, calling us to continue pushing the boundaries of our aspirations and dreams. It is a beautiful reminder of our shared human journey, of trial, error, and ultimately, triumph. And as we continue to gaze toward the skies, let us remember that, like these bridges, we can achieve the impossible together. I apologize for the misunderstanding. Here's the continuation of the script, picking up right where it left off. As we stand on the precipice of the extraordinary, we must turn our attention to perhaps the most infamous of these engineering marvels, the London Bridge. Often shrouded in myths and misinformation, this bridge is not what many believe it to be today. Originally built in the 12th century, the London